Good evening. Today, we, the team of Gen D Channel 5, will be representing a prototype of Smart Blind Stick. Problem statement. Visually impaired individuals struggle to detect obstacles and navigate safely. Traditional sticks lack early detection capability. Due to the modern era, nowadays the sticks have been implemented a technology that can detect the obstacle in front of them. Need for a smart, affordable and user-friendly assistive device. Objective: detect obstacles using sensors and alert the user. This prototype can detect the obstacles by using the sensors and they can alert the user. Ensure safety and independence. Lightweight, low cost and reliable design. Provide vibration and audio feedback. Background literature review. Existing smart sticks use ultrasonic and infrared sensors. And these sticks use ultrasonic or infrared sound sensors to detect the obstacles in front of them. Many lack accuracy, portability or affordability. Our model enhances detection, range, feedback control and durability. Working principle. These are the main components that we have been made the prototype that require these main components. 1. Ultrasonic sensor. This ultrasonic sensor detects the obstacles in front of them. Arduino. Arduino processes the signals to the user. Buzzer or vibration motor. This gives the feedback to the user. Battery. Battery provides the power supply to the stick so that it can work to detect the obstacles. Working. This working includes the sensor detects obstacle. Arduino calculates the distance between the user and the obstacle. Alert user by buzzer or vibration. Circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram that we have made to produce our desired device. Prototype, and this is the exact model that we have made or that we have designed by our team so that it could be affordable to the market. Results. Reliable detection within 3 to 4 meters, and this prototype can detect the obstacles within 3 to 4 meters in front of the user. Comfortable vibration alerts. And in the busy environment, people have working on their tasks. Comfortable vibration alerts. This vibration helps the user to detect whether the object is in front of them or not. And this was implemented because in the busy environment it cannot hear the sound due to the sound produced by the environment surrounding on them. Portable and weather resistant. And this prototype is very portable, they can handle by any people. And it has also a weather resistant that can resist the rain, water or heat. Positive user feedback, and we get the positive user feedback from the people. Post analysis, and these are the components that we have bought from the market, and these are the ultrasonic sensor, it goes 120, Arduino it goes 300, vibration motor it goes 180, buzzer 50, battery 150, stick and casing 200. And in all buying these all things, we have invested 900 rupees, and that can be purchased by all people. Future enhancement. And in the future, we can add these features so that the prototype is more interesting. And one, add GPS and voice navigation. We can add the GPS to track the location of the prototype and voice navigation. Rechargeable battery. When the battery has run out, we can again recharge the battery. Mobile app integration. We can make that app in the future so that we could trace the location. AI-based obstacle classification. Conclusion. The smart blind stick enhances safety and independence for the visually impaired. Combines technology and empathy for social good. A step toward inclusive innovation. And these are the prototypes that we have made, and I would like to conclude my presentation here. Thank you.